بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله الذي له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وله الحمد في الآخرة وهو الحكيم الخبير.
All praise is due to Allah. Only to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth. And praise is only His in the hereafter. And only He is the wise, the all-aware.
يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو الرحيم الغفور.
He knows whatever goes into the earth and whatever comes out of the earth, and whatever descends from the sky and whatever ascends onto it. And only He is the most merciful, the most forgiving.
وقال الذين كفروا لا تأتينا الساعة قل بلى وربي لتأتينكم عالم الغيب لا يعزب عنه مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين.
And the disbelievers said, the day of judgment will never come upon us. Say you, O beloved, why not? By the oath of my Lord, undoubtedly it will definitely come upon you. The knower of the unseen, nothing is hidden from Him. Not equal to an atom's weight in the heavens, nor in the earth can escape from Him. Not anything less than that or greater, but it is in a clearly revealing book.
ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
So that He may reward those who believed and did good deeds. It is these for whom is forgiveness and an honorable sustenance.
والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
And those who strove to defeat our verses, for them is a severe punishment from the painful punishment.
ويرى الذين أوتوا العلم الذي أنزل إليك من ربك هو الحق ويهدي إلى صراط العزيز الحميد.
And those who received the knowledge know whatever is sent down upon you from your Lord is only the truth, and it shows the path of the most honorable, the most praiseworthy.
وقال الذين كفروا هل ندلكم على رجل ينبئكم إذا مزقتم كل ممزق إنكم لفي خلق جديد.
And the disbelievers said to each other, shall we tell you of a man who will inform you that when you have disintegrated into the absolute tiniest of particles, so then you are to be created anew?
أفترى على الله كذبا أم به جنة بل الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة في العذاب والضلال البعيد.
Has he fabricated lie against Allah, or is he suffering from insanity? Rather, those who do not believe in the hereafter are in the punishment and in far misguidance.
أفلم يروا إلى ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم من السماء والأرض إن نشأ نخسف بهم الأرض أو نسقط عليهم كسفا من السماء إن في ذلك لآية لكل عبد منيب.
So, did they not see what is in front of them and what is behind them, the sky and the earth? If we will, we can cause them to sink into the earth or cause a fragment of the sky to fall upon them. Indeed, in this is a sign for every repentant bondsman.
ولقد آتينا داود منا فضلا يا جبال أوبي معه والطير وألنا له الحديد.
And indeed, we gave Dawood a great benevolence from us. O the mountains and birds, turn towards Allah along with him. We made iron soft for him.
أن اعمل سابغات وقدر في السرد واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون بصير.
That make large suits of armor and keep proper measure while making. And all of you should perform good deeds. Indeed, I am observing your deeds.
ولسليمان الريح غدوها شهر ورواحها شهر وأسلنا له عين القطر ومن الجن من يعمل بين يديه بإذن ربه ومن يزغ منهم عن أمرنا نذقه من عذاب السعير.
And we made the wind subservient to Sulaiman, its morning course equal to a month's journey, and the evening course equal to a month's journey. And we caused a spring of molten copper to flow for him. And Allah made subservient to Sulaiman some of the jinn who worked before him by the command of his Lord. And those amongst them, i.e., the jinn who turned away from our command, we shall make them taste the punishment of the blazing fire.
يعملون له ما يشاء من محاريب وتماثيل وجفان كالجواب وقدور الراسيات اعملوا آل داود شكرا وقليل من عبادي الشكور.
They would make for him whatever he wished, lofty palaces and statues, bowls as large as big pools, and large cooking pots fixed in their places. Be thankful, O the people of Dawood, and few amongst my bondsmen are grateful.
فلما قضينا عليه الموت ما دلهم على موته إلا دابة الأرض تأكل من سأته فلما خر تبينت الجن أن لو كانوا يعلمون الغيب ما لبثوا في العذاب المهين.
Then, when we sent the command of death towards him, nothing informed the jinn about his death except the termite of the earth, which was eating his staff. Then, when Sulaiman came to the ground, the truth about the jinn was exposed. If they had known the unseen, so they would not have remained in this disgraceful punishment of hard labor.
لقد كان لسبإ في مسكنهم آية جنتان عن يمين وشمال كلوا من رزق ربكم واشكروا له بلدة طيبة ورب غفور.
Indeed, for the tribe of Saba was a sign in their dwelling place, 2 gardens, one on the right and one on the left. Eat the sustenance of your Lord and be grateful to him, a pure city and a most forgiving Lord.
فأعرضوا فأرسلنا عليهم سيل العرم وبدلناهم بجنتين ذواتي أكل خمط وأثل وشيء من سدر قليل.
Thus they turned away. We henceforth sent upon them a devastating flood, and in exchange for their 2 gardens gave them 2 gardens instead, bearing bitter fruit, and tamarisk, a bitter fruit, and some berries.
ذلك جزيناهم بما كفروا وهل نجازي إلا الكفور.
We gave them this compensation, the punishment of their ungratefulness. And whom do we punish? Only the one who is ungrateful.
وجعلنا بينهم وبين القرى التي باركنا فيها قرى ظاهرة وقدرنا فيها السير سيروا فيها ليالي وأياما آمنين.
And we had made several easily visible towns between them, i.e., the people of the city of Saba, and the towns which we had blessed, and kept those towns according to a measured stage of journey. We said to them, travel safely in them by night and by day.
فقالوا ربنا باعد بين أسفارنا وظلموا أنفسهم فجعلناهم أحاديث ومزقناهم كل ممزق إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
So they said, O our Lord, make the distance between our journeys longer, and they actually caused loss their own selves. We henceforth turned them into stories and scattered them with complete adversity. Indeed, in this are definitely signs for every extremely patient, most grateful person.
ولقد صدق عليهم إبليس ظنه فاتبعوه إلا فريقا من المؤمنين.
And indeed, the devil made his assumptions regarding them seem true, so they followed him except a group who were Muslims.
وما كان له عليهم من سلطان إلا لنعلم من يؤمن بالآخرة ممن هو منها في شك وربك على كل شيء حفيظ.
And the devil had no control over them at all, but for this reason, that we may show as to who believes in the hereafter and who is in doubt concerning it, and your Lord is a guardian over all things.
قل ادعوا الذين زعمتم من دون الله لا يملكون مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض وما لهم فيهما من شرك وما له منهم من ظهير.
Say you, O beloved, call those whom you assume as gods other than Allah, and they do not own anything even equal to an atom, neither in the heavens nor in the earth, nor do they have any share in both of these, nor is anyone amongst them a helper to Allah.
ولا تنفع الشفاعة عنده إلا لمن أذن له حتى إذا فزع عن قلوبهم قالوا ماذا قال ربكم قالوا الحق وهو العلي الكبير.
And intercession does not benefit in his court except of the one whom he permits. Until when, after giving permission, the fear is removed from their hearts, they say to each other, what is it that your Lord has said? They say, whatever he stated the truth, and he is the Most High, the Grand.
قل من يرزقكم من السماوات والأرض قل الله وإنا أو إياكم لعلى هدى أو في ضلال مبين.
Say you, O beloved, who provides you with sustenance from the sky and the earth? Proclaim yourself, Allah, and indeed we or you are either definitely upon guidance or in open error.
قل لا تسألون عما أجرمنا ولا نسأل عما تعملون.
Say you, O beloved, so you, O polytheists, will not be questioned regarding the sins you assume that we have committed, nor will we be questioned regarding your evil deeds.
قل يجمع بيننا ربنا ثم يفتح بيننا بالحق وهو الفتاح العليم.
Say you, O beloved, our Lord will bring all of us together and then judge truthfully between us, and only He is the best to judge, the all-knowing.
قل أروني الذين ألحقتم به شركاء كلا بل هو الله العزيز الحكيم.
Say you, O beloved, show me those whom you have associated to Him as partners. Never, rather, only He is Allah, the most honorable, the wise.
وما أرسلناك إلا كافة للناس بشيرا ونذيرا ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And O beloved, we have not sent you except with such messengership that encompasses the entirety of mankind as a conveyor of glad tidings and warning, but most people know not.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise of the day of judgment come if you are truthful?
قل لكم ميعاد يوم لا تستأخرون عنه ساعة ولا تستقدمون.
Say you, O beloved, for you is the promise of such a day from which you can neither remain behind for a single moment nor can you precede it.
وقال الذين كفروا لن نؤمن بهذا القرآن ولا بالذي بين يديه ولو ترى إذ الظالمون موقوفون عند ربهم يرجع بعضهم إلى بعض القول يقول الذين استضعفوا للذين استكبروا لولا أنتم لكنا مؤمنين.
And the disbelievers said, we shall never believe in this Quran or in the books that were before it. And if somehow only you could see, when the unjust people will be made to stand before their Lord, they will throw allegations at one another. Those who were suppressed will say to those who were arrogant, if it were not for you, we would have therefore surely believed.
قال الذين استكبروا للذين استضعفوا أنحن صددناكم عن الهدى بعد إذ جاءكم بل كنتم مجرمين.
Those who were arrogant will say to those who were suppressed, did we stop you from guidance after it came to you? Rather, you yourselves were culprits.
وقال الذين استضعفوا للذين استكبروا بل مكر الليل والنهار إذ تأمروننا أن نكفر بالله ونجعل له أندادا وأسروا الندامة لما رأوا العذاب وجعلنا الأغلال في أعناق الذين كفروا هل يجزون إلا ما كانوا يعملون.
Those who were suppressed will say to those who were arrogant, rather, it was your deceit of the night and day, i.e., at all times when you used to command us to deny Allah and to appoint equals to Him. And inwardly they, i.e., both of the groups, began regretting when they saw the punishment, and we placed shackles around the necks of the disbelievers. What recompense will they get except what they used to do?
وما أرسلنا في قرية من نذير إلا قال مترفوها كافرون.
And whenever we sent a warner to any town, its wealthy people said this, that we reject that with which you have been sent.
وقالوا نحن أكثر أموالا وأولادا وما نحن بمعذبين.
And they said, we are greater in wealth and children, and we are not to be punished.
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Say you, O beloved, indeed, my Lord increases the sustenance for whomsoever He wills, and restricts it for whomever He wills, but most people know not.
وما أموالكم ولا أولادكم بالتي تقربكم عندنا زلفى إلا من آمن وعمل صالحا فأولئك لهم جزاء الضعف بما عملوا وهم في الغرفات آمنون.
And your wealth and your children are not capable of bringing you near to us, except the one who believed and did good deeds. For them is reward multiplied, the recompense of their deeds, and they are in the upper chambers in peace.
والذين يسعون في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك في العذاب محضرون.
And those who strive to cause failure in our verses, they will be brought to face the punishment.
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له وما أنفقتم من شيء فهو يخلفه وهو خير الرازقين.
Say you, O beloved, indeed, my Lord increases the sustenance for whomsoever He wills amongst His bondsmen, and restricts it for whomever He wills. And whatever you spend in the path of Allah, He will give more in return, and He is the best provider of sustenance.
ويوم يحشرهم جميعا ثم يقول للملائكة أهؤلاء إياكم ثم يقول للملائكة أهؤلاء إياكم كانوا يعبدون.
And on the day when He will resurrect them all, then He will say to the angels, did they worship you?
قالوا سبحانك أنت ولينا من دونهم بل كانوا يعبدون الجن أكثرهم بهم مؤمنون.
They will submit, glory be to you, only you are our friend, not them. Rather, they worshipped the jinn, most of them believed only in them.
فاليوم لا يملك بعضكم لبعض نفعا ولا ضرا ونقول للذين ظلموا ذوقوا عذاب النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون.
So, this day you will not have the power to benefit or cause harm to one another, and we shall say to the oppressors, taste the punishment of this fire which you used to belie.
وإذا تتلى عليهم آياتنا بينات قالوا ما هذا إلا رجل يريد أن يصدكم عما كان يعبد آباؤكم وقالوا ما هذا إلا إفك مفترى وقال الذين كفروا للحق لما جاءهم إن هذا إلا
when our clear verses are recited upon them, so they say, he is nothing but a man who wishes to turn you away from the deities of your forefathers. And they say, this, i.e., the Quran is nothing but a fabricated lie. And the disbelievers said regarding the truth when it reached them, this is nothing but clear magic.
وما آتيناهم من كتب يدرسونها وما أرسلنا إليهم قبلك من نذير.
And we neither gave them books which they could study, nor had any warner come to them before you.
وكذب الذين من قبلهم وما بلغوا معشار ما آتيناهم فكذبوا رسلي فكيف كان نكير.
And those before them had belied, and these people have not reached in wealth even a tenth of what we had given them. They then belied my messengers, so how destructive was them rejecting me.
قل إنما أعظكم بواحدة أن تقوموا لله مثنى وفرادا ثم تتفكروا ما بصاحبكم من جنة إن هو إلا نذير لكم بين يدي عذاب شديد.
Say you, O beloved, I advise you regarding just one matter. Remain standing up for Allah's sake in twos and one to one, and then ponder that there is no trace of insanity in this companion of yours. He is not but a warner for you before the arrival of a severe punishment.
قل ما سألتكم من أجر فهو لكم إن أجري إلا على الله وهو على كل شيء شهيد.
Say you, O beloved, had I asked any payment from you for it, for propagation, so that, i.e., payment is for you, my reward is in fact only upon Allah, and He is witness upon all things.
قل إن ربي يقذف بالحق علام الغيوب.
Say you, O beloved, indeed my Lord sends down the truth, the greatest knower of all the unseen.
قل جاء الحق وما يبطئ الباطل وما يعيد.
Say you, O beloved, the truth has come, and the falsehood is neither to come forth nor to come back.
قل إن ضللت فإنما أضل على نفسي وإن اهتديت فبما يوحي إلي ربي إنه سميع قريب.
Say you, O beloved, if I went astray, I only strayed to harm my own self, and if I attain guidance, so it is because of what my Lord has revealed to me. Indeed, He is all-hearing, ever close.
ولو ترى إذ فزعوا فلا فوت وأخذوا من مكان قريب.
And if somehow you could see, when they will be put into anxiety, then they will be unable to escape, and they would be seized from a place nearby.
وقالوا آمنا به وأنى لهم التناوش من مكان بعيد.
And on the day of judgment they will say, we believed in him, and now how can they attain it, i.e., faith from so far away in the hereafter?
وقد كفروا به من قبل ويقذفون بالغيب من مكان بعيد.
Whereas they had disbelieved in it, i.e., Islam before, and they throw around assumptions without seeing from far away.
وحيل بينهم وبين ما يشتهون كما فعل بأشياعهم من قبل إن شك مريب.
And a barrier is set between them and what they desire, as was done to their earlier groups. Indeed, they were in a deceptive doubt.
صدق الله العظيم.